Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Pixview, but my name is Doe. And in this video, I am doing a short video trying to explain about the special setting that Wecreat 45-watt Vision Pro has than any other product I have seen so far. Nobody has shown how to do this, and Wecreat has not shown a video about how to do this. So when I bought this Vision Pro, I had seen a short advertisement saying something about a wave, and it caught my eye. And so I bought it, not realizing that there was no really special instructions about it other than reading about it on their site. I don't even think they know how to do it, except for the developer. Anyway, someone had asked about doing hats and trying to keep it from moving after it does an autofocus. So they thought taking autofocus off would help keeping it from hitting the hat or a plate. And she found out, So I told them that I would do a short video on what I had discovered. And since I'm a busy person driving a truck, this is going to be as short as I can possibly make it. This is the third time I've tried to make this video so that it won't take so long. So we're going to try to rush through this, and hopefully maybe one day I can show you a better video. But for right now, this is going to help somebody out there in YouTube land about the Vision Pro at 45 watt. So I have set up real quick. I'm not going to show you the laser engraving, other than I'm going to tell you that the engraving is more like a line engraving, and it's a 15 speed. That's top speed. That's all it does. So you will probably have to waste a hat or a plate or whatever to see what your special setting should be. Now, I have been messing with plates. If you are going to do a plate, the best way to engrave on these plates is to either use a spray with titanium in it or straight titanium. I'm finding that the titanium will engrave into plate, and it's got to be a 10 power for it to work on your plate. So that's just a little special thing you can do. Anyway, the plates can only be so big. So I used a plate like this. This is what I engraved, but it was too much of power. I tried 100 and it damn near blew through it. As you can see, the plate has to be no more than 20 millimeter. And so I measured it. It's a little over 20 millimeter, but it's because of this lip right here, it won't bother it. It still will. So let's tell you how this works. All right. This is a better plate. Okay. The reason it's a better plate, because this is the problem that she had when she was trying to do it on the flat program for the laser. So the laser typically the laser typically comes in like this, down, autofocus, and when it comes back, it will hit the plate. This special setting, it will come in, down, autofocus, come back up, and back over home. When you're ready to engrave, it will come back, come down, engrave, come back up, and go home. It will never touch the plate or the hat. So I hope that helps a little bit. Because if you keep it on flat, it will go up, down, hit, just like that. And then it will throw whatever product you have down in there. Either the plate, the hat, whatever it is. You have to have autofocus. You can't just turn it off. It's part of the program, so you want to be able to autofocus. So here we're going to come over here. I'm sorry, I don't have any special crew or special thing to do here, so we're going to turn. And I'm going to show you real quick. Alright, hopefully this video, third time's a charm, right? Okay, so we're gonna come over here. I'm trying to find my mouse here. Okay, new project. It's gonna come up. Alright, new project. Now, if you don't hit your device to connect and you go over here first, you're not going to see that special setting. You see laser flat, laser cylinder, free plane, and auto pass. You can't do that. You got to wait. You got to connect this sucker so that it knows that you've got that 45 watt. And there is the plate I've already got in there. It's a small plate. And we're going to hit this, and here it is. Curved surface processing. You click on that. You're going to have this little special instructions. If you don't like this video and or you can't understand and you want to go back to reading this, you click on that. It will come up and you can start reading it. Now, you will see that it looks like a plate or a rim of a hat. Whatever has a curve to it, okay? It's trying to explain to you what you need to do. But this is why I've got this video. Alright, so we're going to go back. I'm going to take that out because I don't need it. See that inner height? I always put in 20 because it just works for me. That way I know it's not going to hit that plate. And then you see surface management. Now I've got it on basswood because it's just, basswood was easier to deal with when it came to how it engraved for the plate. When I tried doing ceramic, it sucked. So I keep it on basswood. Hit surface measurement. It's going to come back to show me that. What you're going to do is hit it again. Now you notice how everything went dark around it except the plate. You want to left click. Now I think my edge of my plate is around here. It might not show good on the camera, but I am going to just do this because I think that's the edge. And you can actually move it just like that. And I could go a little bigger, but I got to make sure I know I'm not in that edge area. So I'm going to hit next. And here is it saying that what I measured was 7 and 7. It's going to measure it for me to make sure. So we're going to hit start. And if you notice, it's already at the top at home and it's lowering itself. It's coming down. It's going to come over and it's going to start measuring. You'll see that little red light. There it is. Now, if you don't like where the red light is, if you don't like where the edging is, you can always stop it. Hit cancel and go back to reselect area. It will take you back to that little square. You can adjust the square, make it a little bigger, a little smaller, and then come back to measure. So now, come back over here. See, it's how it's lifting back up. It's not moving it. I'm going to show you that. See, it's not hitting the plate. It's up at top. Look at there, going home. Okay. You come back over here. And it looks pretty square to me, but I am going to adjust it just a little bit to make it look a perfect square. That's how I've been doing it. That's how it's been working for me. So I'm sticking with it. I'm going to hit complete. Now, here's my square. I've measured, I've done everything. So now I'm going to import. So importing, I'm going to use this. I'm going to hit open. Now it's a little too big, so we're going to have to come back out, bring it in. I'm sure everybody's done this before. You hit drag, bring it back into the picture. You hit select, and then I go way over here. God, I hope everybody can see this. Okay. And then I'm going to have to make it small enough to go into this picture. Now, all I got to do is hit start and then hit send, and I'm going to stop it because I don't want it to start engraving, but you'll see the quickness of it. So we're going to hit send because I really didn't want to engrave on this yet, but we're just going to hit start. Comes over, comes down, just like that. Now I'm going to hit pause, cancel, confirm, comes back up, and it goes home. And that is how you do this special processing. It's called curve surface processing. That's it, folks. Just know it only does 15 speed, so it's going to take a while. Now this little thing here, even though it's not a whole lot of graphics, it's still going to take like an hour, because that's what happened with my cow. It took a little over an hour. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, text me in the comments, whatever. Whatever I can find out more, I will update you. But as a busy person as I am, I am going to try to show this channel about what I want to do as a business. And but I just want to fill everybody in on this special setting. So I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe next time I'll be able to do a better video on this process. All right, take care. Bye.